Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi disputes about 51,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits. Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs John Barla distributed appointment letters under Rozgar Mela held at State Convention Centre. Departments of Social Welfare, Health and Education holds joint meeting for implementation of Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission. And UDP MLA Rozgar Mela has urged Ministry of Road Transport to speed up repairing work. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has distributed about 51,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits today under Rozgar Mela through video conferencing. Speaking on the occasion today, Modi said Rozgar Mela stands as the government's dedicated effort to empower young individuals and strengthen their active engagement in the country's development.
आज भारत की बेटियां स्पेस से स्पोर्ट तक अनेक नए कीर्तिमान बना रही है। मुझे नारी शक्ति की इस सफलता पर बहुत बहुत गौरव होता है। सरकार की नीति भी यही है कि नारी शक्ति के लिए नए नए द्वार खोल दे जाएं। हमारी बेटियां अब देश के सशस्त्र बलों में कमीशन लेकर राष्ट्र सेवा के रास्ते पर आगे बढ़ रही है।
In Shillong, Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs John Barla distributed appointment letters to the newly inducted recruits in government departments and organizations under Rozgar Mela at an event held at the State Convention Centre on Tuesday. A total number of 293 candidates from the different states of the northeastern region got their appointment letters through the Rozgar Mela. The total number of 126 candidates from Meghalaya who were inducted in the various departments received their appointment letters. While speaking on the occasion, Barla said that under Rozgar Mela, the process is on for providing 10 lakh government jobs to youths in 38 ministries and departments of the central government.
सेवा के दीपिका
रोजगार मेला देखिए, मोदी जी का सपना है 10 लाख का रोजगार का व्यवस्था करना देश का हर युवा युवती का। आज ये नवा रोजगार मेला है। देश के हर कोने कोने में आज 45 सेंट्रल में आज रोजगार मेला का आज हम लोग का अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दिए हैं।
I feel very honored and blessed actually that I got the opportunity to be part of it, and I would like to extend my thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister for giving me the opportunity to work with the Government of India.
A joint meeting between Departments of Social Welfare, Health and the Education to discuss on the implementation of Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission in the state was held on Monday. The meeting was chaired by Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh and Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. Speaking to reporters, Paul Lyngdoh said that the state government comes up with a draft of the guidelines to enable the departments to work on a mode which will allow collaboration between the three departments.
We have come up with a draft of the guidelines, to enable the departments to work on a mode which would allow collaboration. And one of the key factors here is that as we go ahead and proceed with this mission,
Senior BJP legislator A.L. Haq welcomed the decision of the party leadership to make Rickman Moman as the state president of Meghalaya BJP. Talking to reporters, he said it was a long overdue and Momin is a senior party leader and he will contribute immensely for the strengthening of the state BJP. BJP Meghalaya is gearing up for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
He is the president of Meghalaya. It may be from any regions in Meghalaya. We have become the president of the BJP state. It's not necessary it has to be from either from only Khasi or only Garo or the Jaintia Hills. Any part of the Meghalaya, anybody can be a president. So it's very nice. It's given to Rickman Moment. He is a very senior party workers. I hope he will be doing a good job to strengthening the party in Meghalaya.
Cabinet Minister and UDP MLA from Clearhead constituency Rozgar Mela has urged Ministry of Road Transport to speed up the repairing work of the dilapidated NH6, which is the lifeline of not only the people of East Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya but also several other states.
He had a discussion with the NHI, the authority to look after the road, and from his side he has requesting them to speed up the work. So no doubt we got a reply from them mentioning that since it's a rainy season, they cannot do the blacktopping. So when they try to fill it up with this mantling and all.
The Nongstoin College celebrated its graduation day and inaugurated its newcomers building and girl hostel on Monday. While speaking as the chief guest at a program, Rakam A. Sangma, Education Minister of Meghalaya, said that the graduation day was a special occasion for the college and its students, and the inauguration of the new building marked a significant milestone in the college's history.
A day to recognize your hard work.
We will do whatever possible, and as per the requirement, I want to promise, assure each one of you that as a government, as a minister, we will always will be for you and will be with you, and we will take this responsible and we will take this journey together.
The Shillong Cantonment Board organized a clean-up drive in the cantonment area on Monday. CEO Ayush Manmoria of Shillong Cantonment Board said this cleanliness campaign is being run under the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign 2023. The drive was carried out in all the cantonment areas across the country, which will run till 2nd October. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 16.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 77% and in the evening 90%, rainfall 0.2 millimeters, forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi distributes about 51,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits. Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs John Barla distributed appointment letters under Rozgar Mela held at State Convention Centre. Departments of Social Welfare, Health and Education holds joint meeting for implementation of Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission. And UDP MLA Rozgar Mela has urged Ministry of Road Transport to speed up repairing work. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.